So here we are. Your wife booked you in to have this treatment?
Yeah, she doesn't stop complaining about my snoring.
That's okay, we'll make her happy.
Okay, good.
Okay, so you know this is going to be a 20 minutes treatment. So what we need to do, you're going to say, we're going to go beyond at the back of the tongue to get the tongue bed down, and then we go the soft palate dangling bit up. You might feel a bit gagging or a bit gaggy, so let me know, we'll stop and start, but there's no pain to worry about at all. I can also spray some anesthetic just to numb the gag reflex, but you don't need it.
Okay.
If you want it, let me know.
Okay.
It's easy.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to hold your tongue and move it around so I can go beyond that.
Okay, sure.
Okay? That's all. You're not going to feel afterwards nothing at all. You're going to work through it. Fantastic. So I'll get you to get the tongue out. I'll hold your tongue and I'm going to go beyond that. Can you say an R for me? Yeah. Okay. Can you feel any pain at all? Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm going to go under the tongue now. Okay, swallow, be comfortable. Very good, and let's do it again when you're ready. Very good, thank you.